Get ready to be spooked. These horror rental stories will make you thankful for your mortgage, because after all, a haunted house comes with equity. Tree roots overgrew in our sewer line. Raw sewage flooded up and over our bathtub, and oh boy, it was Christmas Day. That sounds like a real holiday. What? I said bad. In the first month of our lease, I started noticing things were off. Windows I'd left open would be closed. Lights I left on would be off. My hairbrush was on a different counter. After months of increasingly weird, spooky, things were out of place. We set up a security camera. We went to the store to test it out, and an hour later, we were horrified to see a video of our landlord and his wife coming down into our basement apartment with flashlights going through our living room, kitchen, and bedroom. Yikes! Okay, grab it. All right, fine. My mom rented a townhouse from a landlord with no complaints. Nearly 2 years later, the landlord took her to court for trashing the house, which, by the way, she did not. After a year of going to court, the landlord eventually just stopped showing up, and we won the case. Now my mom owns her home, and we couldn't be happier. See, even a haunted tale can have a happy ending. For more information, contact your movement loan officer, or keep renting if you dare.